In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Euro account in Wise, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to receive, send, and spend euros just like a local, making your international transactions more seamless than ever before. First things first, you'll need to head over to wise.com, or if you prefer, open up the Wise app on your smartphone. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to sign up. Click on that to start the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Next, decide whether you need a personal account or a business one. This choice will depend on how you intend to use your account, whether it's for individual purposes or business-related activities, so make sure to choose the one that aligns with your needs. After signing up, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your newly created Wise account. It's here that you'll see options labeled Open, Add Currency, or Get Account Details. Click on any of these options to proceed with setting up your Euro balance. Now, scroll through the list of available currencies, or, to save time, simply use the search function to find Euro. Selecting this will enable you to create a Euro balance. At this point, Wise will request identity verification. This is an important security step mandated by law to ensure your account remains safe and secure. You'll need to upload a valid form of identification, such as your passport, and quickly snap a selfie. While this may seem like an extra step, it's crucial for protecting your finances and ensuring your account's integrity. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, your Euro account will be activated. Congratulations! You'll receive your very own IBAN, BIC, and account name. These details are essential for receiving Euro payments from employers, clients, or friends and facilitate easy and direct transactions. To start using your Euro account, you'll want to add funds. This is an easy process. Simply click on Add Money, choose the desired amount, and select your preferred payment method. You can fund your account using options like a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer, depending on what suits you best. Spending your euros is just as straightforward. With your Wise debit card, you can make purchases directly in euros. Alternatively, you can send money to European bank accounts with the assurance of low fees and the real mid-market exchange rate. One of the standout features of Wise is its transparency. You're always informed about the exact cost before you proceed with any transaction. And there you have it. Your Euro account is all set up and ready to use. With Wise, managing your finances across borders becomes a breeze, offering you a more convenient and cost-effective solution compared to traditional banks.